Our sponsor today is Suvie. They let us try out their 3.0 Plus kitchen robot appliance and meal delivery service to see if they could do the cooking for us. And they did do the cooking for us. We loved the meals, we loved the simplicity of letting this cook for us, and we love the variety of options in this device. It's a refrigerator, an air fryer, an oven, a sous vide. It reheats. You can set it and forget it. It's exactly what you need if you are tired of cooking, don't know how to cook, don't want to cook, too tired to even eat, but you know you need to eat. If you want quality food, if you want hot food, if you want food that meets your dietary requirements, or even if you just want to use your own food in a different appliance. This works great. We were delighted with it. It's quiet, it's fun to use, and we sort of felt like we were on an episode of The Jetsons. And if you can remember that TV show, you might enjoy this Suvie appliance.
Come on over. Making guests feel welcome, one home at a time.
And now for one of the most fun breakfasts I could come up with is a breakfast banana split. So, as it sounds, we're going to split this banana. And listen, I haven't had a banana split since I was a kid because it's a lot of food. Am I right? All right, I'm as carefully as I can, splitting this banana. And you put it in your bowl, just like you would a banana split. And then we're going to take a little bit of peanut butter. Now, it could be any nut butter of your choosing. I know a lot of people cannot eat peanut butter. But if I'm gonna have peanut butter, I'm gonna go full out and have the extra crunchy kind because, hello, if you're going to just have the calories, why not just have every stinking calorie that you can?
And I'm gonna stop worrying about calories.
Okay, that's probably enough for one person. Check. And then what you're going to do is take either frozen yogurt or regular yogurt. Now, I didn't have any frozen yogurt. I'm going to use my scooper and I'm gonna boop right on top so it looks like ice cream. That's probably a good half cup, maybe a bit more. So now we've got our banana, we've got our peanut butter, we've got our ice cream, our yogurt. And then I'm just gonna take some fruit and pile it on top because you just cannot have too much fruit on your banana split. And now I'm going to take some granola. This is your crunch factor. And I'm going to give it a good, oh my goodness, look at that. That just looks so fun. And then because, it's just not decadent enough, I'm going to take a little bit of honey, but you could use maple syrup or agave, and I'm going to drizzle that on top. Ooh. Now also, if you have any whipped cream on hand, now's your chance to add it to your morning diet. Then I'm going to go ahead and get my maraschino cherry because how often do we get to have that for breakfast? Never. Until today. And I'm going to add that. And then if you want a little more crunch, you can add some almonds. I have almonds and peanuts in here, but since I've already got the peanut butter going, I'm gonna throw in some almonds for fun. And oh my word, look at that. Wouldn't you love to have this for breakfast? Yes, and let me tell you, that took hardly any time at all. You probably had most of this on hand. And I say, if you do, have your banana split. Then I'm gonna take some yogurt, and I'm just yogurt. This is not yogurt.
Come on over. Now go make someone feel special today.